Hello, my name's Martin Fish and I want to have a look at this Cobra wood chipper 650L, which is a petrol wood chipper, really sturdy, ideal for large gardens where you're doing lots of tree work and need to dispose of the prunings. This is the chute where you actually feed all the wood material into it. So nice big aperture there, and it will take branches up to 80 millimeters in diameter and turn them into wood chips. So this is where we would feed all the prunings into it. One of the safety things with this is this cut-off bar here. If this is depressed when the engine's running, that automatically cuts it out. If we move along here, we can see we've got the engine unit here, powerful Lonsin engine, 6.5 horsepower. So lots of power there to chip those thick branches that you feed into it. And it's also got an hour meter there, so you can actually record how much it's been used when it's chipping wood. And then once it's chipped, throws it out of the chute here, and there is an adjustable flap on the top so we can direct it into a heap to build it all up there. Comes with a pair of pneumatic tyres on there, so it's really easy to move around and to put it back into storage, but once it's down on the ground it's nice and firm. For storage, it's supplied with a waterproof cover that goes over the lot of it, so that keeps it nice and dry and keeps it clean as well. And last but by no means least, it's got the toolkit here with all the spanners, everything you need. Keeps them all together in this waterproof capsule on the side of the chute there. So what we'll do is start it, we'll put a few branches through it, and I'll show you exactly how it works. So here we've got the on-off switch. So again, a safety device, it has to be manually turned on before we can start it. And here we've got the recoil for starting the engine, and then just here above the air filter we've got the carburetor. So the bottom one is our fuel, that is to turn the fuel on and off, so that is on the on position. And then above it we've got the choke, which we'd always use when the engine's cold. So to put the choke on, we bring it to this side, start the engine, and when the engine's running we then push that back, and then we've got our full revs and we're ready to go. What we do need is some safety protection, so I'm going to wear gloves, we've got ear defenders, and you need eye protection of some sort as well. So I'm going to put these on and then we can get the engine running and put some branches through it. So let's start it. So we need to put the switch into the on position, choke on, give it a pull. So, as you can see, this is quite a thickish branch. We can do thicker than this, but this is quite a hard wood and dry, and it just shows really how clean a cut it's making when it's chipping. We've chipped the thick end, this is the last bit to go. And to stop the machine, you'll notice I just push this lever down, which is the emergency cut-off, so it stops the engine and, more importantly, the cutter instantly. Just down at this end we can see the chippings that it's done. And you know, this is some hardwood here we've been cutting, and these are really, really cleanly cut chips there. So these are ideal for bark paths. You can mix them in the compost heap or just let them rot down and then use it after a season of decomposing as a mulch around shrub borders around the garden. So it's a really, really handy, heavy duty piece of kit that can be used sort of professionally and in large gardens for getting rid of all your woody prunings and waste. For more information on the Cobra range, go to cobragarden.co.uk.